Hi guys, this is Sushant and you are watching The Glamour Project. In this episode, I'm going to tell you which fragrances you should wear in this weather. And also later, I'm going to tell you what colors are in for the summer. The first fragrance on my list is Escada's latest perfume, which is called Turquoise Summer, and it is a limited edition. This fragrance is for the ladies and for some guys who like to smell like flowers. This is a very young and a very playful sort of a fragrance, and it works perfectly for the summers. Next fragrance on my list is CK1 Summer. So Calvin Klein has always surprised us with amazing perfumes, and this time for the guys, they're in for a surprise because this is an extremely cool and calm fragrance and it smells really cool. But I just don't want it to be on me. I don't want to smell all cool, yo. I don't want to smell like that. And of course, the last fragrance is the classic Davidoff Cool Water. Guys and for girls, I think it's amazing and I don't need to even tell you why it's so fabulous. So these were the three fragrances for summer, and I'm sure you are going to rock it if you use any of these three. Moving on to colors that you can wear and that you should wear in the summers. With this extremely oppressive heat on your head, you need to be fair to your body and wear colors that don't kill you. So the first color that you should definitely consider wearing in this heat is coral colors with like an element of peach. I think peach is rocking it everywhere, even on the ramps, even internationally. I think peach is doing very well as a color for the summers, and peach is fantastic. Some other colors that you should consider wearing are the yellow family. Obviously not the Govinda yellow. You have to go easy on the yellows, a little palish, a little lemon yellow. You don't want to wear yellow so that, hey, I'm wearing yellow, you're gonna go blind. No, you don't want that. I don't want that. So nobody wants to go blind. Nobody wants to be looking like they've just booked a job at the circus. No, we don't want that. So please go easy on the colors, and please don't wear black. Like, I can't understand how people don't burn with wearing black. I hate wearing clothes first of all, you know, so I wear all airy stuff, as you can see. Today I'm in the Zinat Aman mood. So there you go, you know. Moving on to our last and the most classic color that you can wear in the summers, in fact anywhere, and it's a very famous underwear color, is white. I don't know why, but I think that's a classic, very classy, you know, very regal color. Anyone looks good in white, and trust me, anyone, even my ex. So it's calm, you're comfortable in it, and however underprivileged you are in terms of beauty, you'll still make it through. You'll survive. So please concentrate and wear white. That's it. So if you want to look awesome, smell awesome, make sure people don't die because of your fragrance, which has gone completely wrong, please roll this again and again and rewind this and watch it again and again so that you know what to wear, how to smell, and what colors you should wear so that people don't go blind. Yeah, so that's it for this episode, and if you've liked this video, you better like this video. I know your addresses. I would get the database and kill you. Like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe.